Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use speak cells in Excel. Where I can find the speak cells? Just move to the quick access toolbar and just click more commands and select the all commands here and type SPE. Now here is a speak cells. Just click add in quick access toolbar and click OK. Now it will display in quick access toolbar. This is a speak cells. Just select any cell which you want to speak. Just click here.
Use of speak cells in Excel. Use of speak cells in Excel.
You can also select two multiple cells for speaking. Just select all the data of two cells and click speak cells.
LCD 8000, mouse 2500, keyboard 6000, LCD 8000, speakers 5000, LCD 8000.
This is a very good trick in Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.